Redmi Watch 5 active. Alexa not working? Here's the fix. Steps. Update Mi Fitness app, Android/iOS, and watch firmware. In Mi Fitness, Profile, Voice Assistant, Amazon Alexa link account. Grant app microphone, location, Bluetooth permissions. Set phone language and Alexa language to supported region. Ensure phone Bluetooth is on and watch is connected. On watch, open Alexa tile. Sign-in prompt should vanish. Test with "What's the weather?" If errors. Unlink. Reboot phone and watch, relink. Ensure internet access on phone. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gaming audio and tech tutorials.